So it makes everything kind of, very cool and cozy and sleepy. Okay, I wonder, have you done, oops, sorry, not this one. This one yet? Let me share the screen. Okay, this one, have you done it? WH questions, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Only 13 people handed in. I wonder what is wrong. Can you access, get to my WH questions? 5, 10. Only this got to do it. So only a quarter of your class doing it. So please, 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 please do it. Okay. There will be a day that I won't teach any soon, and I will wait for you guys to done all my work. So right now we have WH questions, right? And also these there is and there are. Okay. So there is and there are, there's still some that hasn't handed in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 people still hasn't handed in these there is and there are. So please be responsible and do it because it's important. I will choose the part of the exercise and take it as the unit 4 unit test for unit 4. Okay. All right. As I said that today we are going to start on, one sec. Okay, today we're going to start on lesson 6, right? Lesson 6. So everyone, please take out your class book, and I believe it's on page 35. I'm not sure, let me check. Lesson 4, unit 4, lesson 6. Okay, unit 4, lesson 6. This is unit 4, right? Class book, page 34, page 34. This one. As you can see it, what do you think? What is this? What is it?
Make a bird.
Right. It's the instructions, right? For making any DIY thingy. So there is number 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are some structures and methods how to do the balancing bird and the spinner, right? What I want you to do is that I want you to quickly look through the instructions, to set up the instructions. You don't need to read every word, okay? Today we're going to practice a little bit of reading that we call scanning. Okay, scanning is just you quickly look through the text and find the answer. This one you need to find, on the left hand side. Here, these are the material that you need to look for, whether it for making a balancing bird or it's for make a spinner. So I'll give you time to quickly looking at and then decide A, B, or C materials list that they need. There are three lists, okay? Three lists, A, B, and C.
Nani.
โอปิดไม้
Are you finished? Which one of these lists that need to make a balancing bird? A, B, or C?
C
Very good, C. Because the keywords is modeling clay, right? This one, we need a modeling clay for it. Okay, what about spinner? Which lists A, B, or A or B?
A
Yes, it's A, right? A, it's need of paper clips, which is here, the paper clips. Okay. So here's how to make a balancing bird. First, you have to draw a bird on the card. Okay, at the end of its wing must be lower than its feet. Right, and then cut out the bird with the scissors. You can color it if you want to. So that means if you don't want to, you don't have to color it, right? And then number 3, put the bird's feet on your finger. The bird doesn't balance. It won't balance it anyways, right? What make it balance is the modeling clay. Make 2 small balls of modeling clay. They should be the same size. Of course, they have to be the same size. Stick the clay at the end of each wing. See, that's the clay right there. Both sides, same size at the end of each wing. Try balancing the bird again until they're balancing. That's why. That's the fun of it. You try to balancing the birds out of the paper that you draw. Next one is a spinner. That's like an old time spinner. Back in the day that you don't have a fidget spinner. When I was young, when I was a kid like you guys, we're doing this for fun, you know? You take a piece of paper, right? And then you drew on it, copying this template onto your piece of paper, right? So you can see that one, a solid line. How do I make you see? Okay, the purple one, it's called a solid line. Oops. Okay, and the dotted line, obviously, this one called dotted line. Right? So you have to cut along the solid line and then make the wings with A and B, right? Make the wings out and then fold along the dotted line. So here's the dotted line. You don't cut it, you just fold it. And then number 3, make the body with C and D fold along the dotted line. Okay. Number 4, fold the body at E. That's the E, right? Fold it up and put the paper clip on it. So that's where the paper clip came in. Try out your spinner. You can hold your spinner at the paper clips and stand on the chair and drop your spinner. You know, I guess it's fun back then since we don't have any phone or anything to entertain us. Okay, now find the words in the text that match the picture. Let me know when you finish.
Finish.
Finish? Okay. Number 1. What is it?
You need a card.
What's that? Number 1, look at the arrows. Where did they point to?
Solid line.
Yes, that's a solid line. Number 2, the verb. What is it? You try to what? Don't make the bird fall. What?
Balance.
Yes,
Balance.
balance. Number 3, what did they do? Number 3. Number 3.
Fold.
Fold. Okay, it's an action. Fold the paper. Okay, let me find the paper here. Where is it? I don't see the paper. There's a bunch of paper here. Right. Can you see me? That's a paper, right? That's paper, and then you fold it. When you say fold it in half, you just fold it like that. That's the action of fold the paper, or you can fold your clothes. Okay, you can fold your clothes as well. Okay. Number 4, what is it?
Modeling clay.
Very good, modeling clay. Number 5.
Dotted line.
A dotted line. And number 6. Ends. Okay, check your spelling. You got it all right. You know, you have to do it right, because when you're back in school, I will collecting all of your books and check it one by one, page by page. Done.
Check finish.
Finish. Okay.
Not.
No, okay. I'll give you more time.
Finish.
Finish.
Right.
Finish,
Let's
teacher.
move on to the next exercise. Now you need to read the text again and then write true or false.
Finish.
Okay.
Teacher.
Right. Let's move on to number 1 for the bird. You need card. True or false?
True.
True.
Number 2, you must color the bird.
True.
False. Because you don't need to. Just say it's up to you, right? If you want, just color it. If you don't want it, don't color it. Number 3, stick the clay on the bird's feet.
False.
For the spinner. Number 4, you need 2 paper clips.
False.
We only need 1, right? Number 5, you must cut along the dotted lines.
True.
True.
False, you must cut along the solid lines, dotted lines for folding it. Remember? Number 6, you make 2 wings.
True.
All right, time for the activity book. Phonics time. Today we're gonna learn about the sound of the phonics, which is on the activity book page.
What page?
Let me find 38. 38.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Listen and repeat.
Lesson 1.59. Listen and repeat. R,
R.
Good.
R,
O.
Card.
Card.
Ah.
Ah,
ออก
Brush.
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 brush. Good. So there is two sounds. There are two sounds, right? Which is and ah. So let's try this. Card, right? Brush. For example, cousin. Finish?
Finish,
Okay.
teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, let's hear it together. And then I will play it again and I need you to repeat after, okay? Now let's hear and then check the answers.
Listening 1.61. Listen and check. Then listen and repeat.
Ah,
Star. Aunt. Heart. Armor. Mask.
mask,
Cousin.
cousin,
Color. Uncle. Cut. Plus.
what's your answer? Now let's listen and repeat. Are you finished with checking?
Finish.
Don't finish.
Okay, wait. Let me know when you finish.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, now let's listen one more time and then repeat.
Listening 1.61. Listen and check. Then listen and repeat. R, star,
Star.
Star,
aunt,
Aunt.
heart,
Heart.
good,
armor,
Armor.
very good.
mask,
Mask.
Very good.
ah,
Cousin.
Cousin.
color,
Color.
uncle,
Uncle.
Uncle.
cut,
Cut.
Car.
Good.
Car.
plus,
Plus.
So, right, we have finished lesson 6 and that is it for today. Please go back and do your work. Okay, the first one is WH questions and then the second one is there is and there are. Okay, please, you have to do it. Can't avoiding it because these things will be in your test as well. So it's important that you understand what we've learned. Okay, it's very hard to try to teach you this year because of, you know, mostly we are online and this is the only way that I can check whether you understand it or not. Okay, so don't forget, I leave you early today, so you have plenty of time to check on your assignment. So you can do it and finish it. I hope you all finish it, okay? All right. I'll see you tomorrow, right? We'll see you tomorrow. I'm not sure. All right. I'll see you next time. And we're going to move on to lesson 7. All right. Okay. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye.